I'm Jenny Spring, and I have a Tuesday Toes Day tip for you to save you time between massages if you have to adjust your table height on a portable table pretty often. This is a trick that I learned at my first massage job, and it's kind of a 2-for-1 deal. It helps you get 2 legs done at the same time, so you really only have to make 2 changes rather than work on each leg individually. So this is what you do. You pull your rolly stool or your ball or your step stool up to the edge of the table. You're gonna lift it up and put it on your knees, and then you can unscrew both knobs. I'm doing both sides simultaneously at the same time, and then change your table height, putting it on the matching legs, and screw in the legs. Boom. And then you're done with 2. You just have to do it at the other end. So now you don't have to go from leg to leg to leg to leg and take forever. Hope that helps.